Raman Maharshi, a sage, in a very childhood, when he see a death in his family or in his neighborhood, he got fearful of death, and he want to know death, and he made an experiment in which he lay down, lose his body, lose his mind, lose his thoughts, and have seen, is anything again acting in me? If I am not body, not mind, I am just letting my body die, letting my mind even die, is there anything which is working in me? He realized there is still something which is very unnoticed to the humanity, which is still remains when you die, and which is yourself, your real self, your real I, and which is the consciousness, the pervading self. And when he realized this, he suddenly left his home. He begins to meditate a lot, because he said the ultimate truth of the humanity is not taking care of body or caught up in this matrix of desire, because it's all temporary. I am searching for which is, I'm remaining with which is permanent, and which is the pervading self, the baseless substratum, the real self, the truth, the Atman. So Ramana Maharshi used to meditate a lot in a temple nearby his home. Sometimes, insects used to bite him, and there are so many wounds caused by the insects, and blood begins to sometimes come from the wounds. But he says that this is body, and I am not my body. And finally he visit Arunachala, where he himself situated himself in Arunachala and keep meditating. He doesn't speak. He doesn't speak. He simply write his answers whenever some ask, or he just point his fingers. This is the story of Ramana Maharshi, Sri Ramana Maharshi. Let's learn more about life, spirituality, meditation. You can join my spirituality course comprised of 24 videos in which I have discovered so many things. You can learn many topics like meditation, awareness, present moment, thought, freedom from thought, suffering, who am I, and a guided meditation session. My WhatsApp number is 9773529489, and from there you can join by dropping a message on this WhatsApp number 9773529489. Thank you very much.